bugging out now, so I brought out the new bracelets that I got. They are by MosquitoSpell. They're amazing. They're 100% safe, and they use 100% natural essential oils. The smell is lavender, eucalyptus, citronella, and peppermint. They smell so good, and whenever you're not using them, you just put them back in the bag and they last up to 10 days. And I will show you guys, they're adjustable, and you guys know, I've mentioned in the vlogs before how much Maverick gets bit. I don't know, for some reason, out of all of us, he gets bit constantly, and I do not like spraying any harsh chemicals on him. I have an all-natural like bug spray that does not seem to work on him, but these seem to do the trick, and they smell amazing. So I will show you guys them.
And the company is Self-Balance.
Self-Balance.
Self-Balance's mosquito repellent bracelets.
Self-Balance mosquito repellent bracelet.
I have these mosquito repellent bands.
My MosquitoSpell bracelets.
This is pH Balance mosquito repellent bracelets.
Mosquito repellent bracelets by Self-Balance.
Self-pH mosquito repellent bracelet.
They're the mosquito repellent bracelets.
Protected, and I'm wearing the band.
We feel protected together.
I feel safe. I feel protected.
I am wearing the band.
I'm wearing the band.